Why are you here? Are you Elon Musk? No? Then why? It seems you are curious. Right? Okay. I can't blame you. This video contains a sound that Elon Musk, or 2% of the people of Earth can hear. Yup. This is insane. Right? Okay. But first, find a place that is free from noise. And make sure you use your headphones. Ready? But first, drop a like and subscribe for just 1 second. Done? Here it is. In 3, 2, 1. You got it? No? I will increase the volume. How about this? That's it. That is the mysterious sound. Tell me in the comments what was that.